Welcome. I'm glad you're here. This is D.L. Hughes from VelocityWriting.com, where you learn to write with speed, passion, purpose, and profitability. I was at a Barnes & Noble bookstore the other day, and they had a huge pile of books stacked at the front door. A big group of authors was milling around. One of them walked up to me and said, "Hey, take a free book." Giving it away makes people think it's popular. Plus, maybe you'll be kind enough to write a review. Well, with all those free books available, I didn't even need to go into the store to buy one. Did this really happen? Of course not. But it happens on the internet every day. Does giving away free books help you sell your book, get reviews, or build your author brand? Let's find out right now. If you're new here, please subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. I have expanded bonus content on this topic. See the direct link to the blog post in the YouTube description. So, does giving away free books help you sell your book, get reviews, or build your author brand? The public library used to be the only place people tried to load you down with free books to read. But that changed in 2007 when Amazon released the Kindle ebook reader, which allowed free online delivery of their books by their WhisperNet system. For the first time, authors had the capacity to give away massive amounts of free books to bait book buyers. But why would anyone want to do that? Offering a free look inside makes sense because that emulates how people browse and buy in bookstores. But give away thousands of free ebooks? That doesn't seem to make sense. Why would authors be motivated to do that? Well, it is counterintuitive unless you own a bookstore and want to build traffic to sell other books. And you can convince some authors to give away their book as a loss leader. Well, that's exactly what Amazon did. At first, the enticement meant something to authors. Early on, you could get on the Amazon bestseller list without selling even one book. The free ebooks used to count in their regular sales statistics. Early on, the free ebook was a big deal to readers. They loved getting a free book, and they were often motivated to write a review out of gratitude. But then things turned dark for authors. Authors are still in the quest for fame and fortune and are willing to give away the books as bait. But the rules of the game have changed in subtle ways. Authors must question whether giving away books is worthwhile anymore. For example, free books don't get any love in the Amazon bestseller categories anymore. You can get ranked in free categories, but that's not prestigious at all. And Amazon started the Kindle Select program, which actually limits your ability to distribute free books if you decide you want to do that. The limitation is that Amazon forces you to give them complete exclusivity to sell your book for 90 days in exchange for 5 days of free giveaways. Being an Amazon hostage for 90 days doesn't make much sense anymore, since there are many better ways to distribute free ebooks if you want to do that. What happened next to make giving away free ebooks less desirable? Well, free ebooks became as common as dirt. A free ebook was no longer special. We saw the proliferation of websites that promoted free ebooks. That was great for those sites, but not so good for authors. Those free ebook sites often charged people to put their free ebook on the site. The website sold ads for related products. They linked to affiliate products. So these free ebook sites had multiple opportunities to make profit, while authors had no such opportunity. See the problem? Within just a few years, Publishers Weekly, one of the most prestigious publishing magazines, was asking the question, are book giveaways still worth it for indie authors? They had their doubts. They thought there was some benefit in some cases, but that the glut of free ebooks diminished the value of using them in a viable way to get sales. Here we are many years later, and some book marketing gurus are still telling authors that they must give away their book before they can get sales. Yes, it's true. People will tell you about some miracle where they gave away books and made a small fortune as a result. But the only reason you hear about it is because it happens so rarely. Many thousands of people give away books every month, but they seldom share their failure. Now, you may want to give away your book in some cases. If so, do it strategically. First, don't get hung up on the idea that you must give away massive amounts of free ebooks to get sales. That idea is making less sense as time goes on. But here are some ways that you can strategically give away a limited number of ebooks to get sales. Have a marketing plan that includes a fan base composed of people on your own email list. You want to send free copies to just a few people on that list that you know will be likely to review it. Visit forums that deal with your topic. No, not writer Facebook pages or forums. Writers always want to sell their own book, not buy yours. If your book is about gardening, go to gardening sites and forums and offer a few review copies there. Do you have a recipe book? Well, post on food-related sites. You get the idea. Contact book bloggers. They deserve a free copy. If they love your book, thousands of others will hear about it, and that will benefit you. The same applies to podcasters. Getting on one of those shows can send your sales into the stratosphere, and you only have to give away one copy to the person who runs the podcast. Consider sites like bargainbooksy.com. You pay them, and they send out emails to your target audience. Bargain Booksy allows you to sell your book at a reduced amount at a bargain price, so you can often make enough money off sales to pay them. There is more information about these kinds of paid targeting sites in the blog related to this video. Don't get involved with Kindle Select for these kinds of free offers. Send the Kindle or EPUB edition of your book directly to the people who respond to your offer. See what I'm saying here? Don't mass distribute free ebooks. It has become a mostly pointless activity. It may boost your ego to know that thousands may have downloaded it, but getting any economic benefit or getting reviews is becoming increasingly rare. Always sell a book when you can and give them away only when you're sure you can get some bang for your buck. Have a great writing day.